Mediterranean veggie chicken wraps with turmeric hummus recipe. Yield 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 30 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Ingredients: roasted veggies. 1 medium zucchini sliced into 1 cm strips. 1 medium eggplant sliced into 1 cm strips. 2 medium red bell peppers sliced into 1 cm strips. 1 red onion sliced into 1 cm strips. 1 tablespoon 15 ml olive oil. 1 teaspoon 5 grams garlic powder. 1 teaspoon 5 grams onion powder. 1 teaspoon 5 grams oregano. Half a teaspoon black pepper plus more to taste. Ingredients: mock chicken. 200 grams mock chicken textured vegetable protein. 1 tablespoon 15 ml vegetable or olive oil. 1 tablespoon 15 ml soy sauce. 1 teaspoon 5 grams paprika powder. Half a teaspoon cumin optional. Directions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 F 205 C. 2. In a large bowl gently toss the vegetables in olive oil, then sprinkle on the spices and toss until evenly distributed. Place on a large roasting pan and cook for about 30 minutes, until tender and lightly browned. Stir every 10 minutes to avoid burning and to ensure even cooking. 3. While the veggies roast, sauté the mock chicken with oil on a medium pan on high heat for about 3 minutes or until lightly browned. 4. Reduce the heat to medium-high and add the soy sauce, paprika powder and cumin and continue to sauté for another 3 minutes. Taste test and add more soy sauce, spices, salt or pepper to your liking. Set aside. 5. Distribute the wrap filling ingredients evenly over the wraps. Add the desired amount of mock chicken and roasted veggies and roll the wraps. Grill or microwave the wraps if desired to heat, or enjoy as is. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.